Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check usage statistics on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper left corner. Scroll down to the settings, and in the last section, the other, you can find the usage statistics. Help to improve the app by automatically sending anonymous statistics about its usage. Actually, I use that because I want to prove the app, and but if you want to turn off, click to the next yellow circle, and if it will be turned light gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.